What is up, fellas? We are officially back with the giveaway video. Jack flew in, got him on the bike, got him to ride in the super cold weather. He was excited. He loves the bike. He thinks it's awesome. But beforehand, because I haven't really pushed the new fat tire giveaway, right now I'm going to post it on all the other social media, which I haven't even done yet, and we're already a couple weeks in. At this point, we're less than 30 days away for this giveaway. So right now, today and tomorrow, you guys got it over here. Because I didn't post it on the other social media, I'm going to give them a chance to get ahead and get a little extra. I'm going to give 40 time entries to anything you buy on the shopping cart starting from today for 48 hours. We're going to let that run 40 times entry. Anything on the shopping cart you can get yourself. Go there now, fbombbaggers.com. Pick you up some new swag, new header, new sweatshirts, hoodies, t-shirts, beanies, all the good stuff. By the time you're seeing this video, we had a few emails asking where the order updates were. This last week was a wash. I was actually waiting on a new shipment. I just got super swamped over here, so I didn't even touch anything. But by the time this video drops, most of you have received the notification that we're calling or asking on the orders, so with the new shopping cart. And then I'm still stuck on like 4 or 5 orders of the old shopping cart that I need to send out, and I deleted it because they told me to do it at GoDaddy. So I'm trying to get back on it in order to see what those orders are, because I had it written down and I can't find it, so now I have to go back. Or if you did an order from the old shopping cart and you didn't receive it, give it another week or so, because I'm gonna hopefully have that handled, and then we'll get you out and get you taken care of on that side. But if not, if you want a refund, I fully understand. Just shoot me a text or shoot me an email at fbombbaggers.com. 40 times entries for anything in the shopping cart at fbombbaggers.com. All right, stay tuned. Peace.
It's fucking cold out.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Damn, you wanted style too, huh?
That's all they got.
Turo or?
Enterprise.
Oh, no shit. Of course these fucks have to pull out when we're doing the video. He hasn't seen, well, I don't know, did you see the bike online?
I saw the video,
yeah. Yeah,
so close up, so I can't really tell.
Yeah, we did.
Oh yeah, I did it on YouTube. That's right.
I didn't even see it. Someone sent it to me.
Oh, did you? Okay, I gotcha. So here, he's straight from the hotel and pulling it out. It's 20-something degrees out. Power to the center stand. So you goes down pretty quick. A little different, right? Not bad for what? What did you buy? A t-shirt, hat, what?
2 shirts and a hoodie.
Yeah. There you go.
Hoodies and a shirt. You know what's funny is I didn't get the tickets and the shirts until like 2 weeks.
Well,
like
that's because you were one of the last guys to buy it. Yeah. So like that's why I said I remember, for the fact that just because your name, like I'm like, I don't know if this is a chick or whatever, no offense, but I said anybody that did enter, don't worry, you're no matter what, you're entered, because I was manually writing them down just because that was the first process we did.
Yeah, even if I was to watch the video, I wouldn't even have known if I wanted.
Yeah, so like, and then that's when we called him and he didn't answer, and that's when I texted him like, hey, you better answer your phone.
I saw that text us. Yeah, it is. It's badass. It goes with it.
Yeah, and it kind of worked out that the rotors go, with that wheel.
One thing I was bummed out about. I was like, if I'm gonna lose that, it's gonna suck.
Yeah. No, it worked out perfect because, like I said, it's like a point style, if you want to say, straight.
Yeah, it goes.
It's a different ride too, bro.
Yeah.
You ever drove a fatty?
I did an 18-inch.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no. The 21, bro. Like you don't feel nothing, right?
This is Terry. He detailed it. We did the AF custom center stand for the dual pipes, so that way it kicks out backwards. You don't have any clearance issues. So, but it's about 29 degrees right now, and he's gonna freeze his ass off for about 3 miles. We'll make it quick and easy. And then the only thing we didn't do is that ignition piece is in your
It's in the glove.
That thing was jacked up pretty good.
They had that rigged up there. But that center stand, dude, like
fast,
quick, boy.
So be rocking in style, and actually Transporter's gonna be here in an hour, so it works out.
Same chick.
No. yeah. I didn't realize. Did she come in that camper?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. That was a little interesting. I used them before. I used them before, and they definitely didn't have that. And then she rolled up here. I'm like, what the hell is this shit, man? She rolled up with like dress boots on and jeans and shit. I was like, what the fuck? So no, she said there's no loads, I guess, going out there. So we got another guy coming. So.
Who did the work on it?
Bro, this bike's been to like 2-3 shops.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was taking it to one shop mainly that did everything, and then they shut down. So now I'm taking it to some other place called Ventura County.
Okay. Well, fuck, man. We'll do. I got a jacket you can wear.
I'm
I got.
good up here, right?
No, really
You
be.
got glasses?
Well, I got a helmet. You can wear a helmet too, and I got that leather. Well, it's got the leather Harley jacket, and then we got some welding gloves you can wear. We'll just make it quick and
I
easy.
think I'm good.
No, believe me, dude, you ain't good.
Really?
Yeah, this ain't nothing. When you fucking go over 15 mile an hour, you'll see. It ain't gonna last about fucking 2 seconds. But here, you can come in real quick. We'll start.
Who did the sound on it?
So the sounds, it was my cousin bought it for me as a present. I
Yeah.
don't even know. Who did it? Who did what? He took my bike out and installed.
Well, you got a badass cousin, man.
Yeah, he hooked it up. And then I had to, when I was doing the Baja lights installed, the amps that were on there were too long, so the light wouldn't fit. So I had to take it, get the amps changed out, just to put those headlights on.
What was the damage on those lights?
I don't remember, I think 1500.
Dude, they're bright as fuck, man.
You know, I get a lot of fucking complaints on the road, man. People fucking flicking me off. It's bad.
Well, sweet. You can come in and fucking kill it for a minute.
You are.
Oh, he's gotta pull some shit out. You can pull it right here. You just put it right here. Do this, I'm gonna make your life easier. You're not sleeping in the back, are you? In the back of your truck?
In the back, yeah.
You sleeping in it?
Yeah.
Well, you can take this off, and that way you got more space. You got blankets?
Blankets?
Yeah, you just,
Yeah, let me bring it.
well, I would stick this in the back of your... We got 2 tires, too. Or 2 wheels right there.
Who detailed that bag?
Man.
Back. Hard, hard. You're going out crooked. Cut it harder.
The bumper? You're good. Go ahead.
Hold on. Stop. Step on it. All right, go.
How you gonna unload this? You need 2 people.
No, it's because of the fucking where this tire is. The tire is in the dip.
Nothing happened to the bumper?
Oh, he's good, dude.
Look at all that rust in the car from his rooftop.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Camera down on the floor.
No.
You gonna put that little wheel chuck in the back wheel or no?
Not yet. We got to straighten it. Pull it. Right here. Did you do it from that side?
I did it from the water. I can't. I don't know what.
Sure you did it from that side?
Yeah. Go ahead. Put it down.
Hey, hold the bike right here. Yeah. So don't hit it. Watch the kickstand. So we're to bump the front wheel up against the wall.
Get the wheel chuck to make it so it won't roll.
So now you got to double check before
That's gonna be a
it
tight
should
fit.
fit. It should fit.
It should fit.
How are you going to strap this one up?
This side.
You can go one.
You put it on gear?
One right here. Yeah, it's in gear. Let me hear it now. The customer will unload it when you get it
Okay.
because it's got air wrap.
That's all old.
Probably won't start it.
Yeah, brand new. All new.
Yeah. All right, so you put one right here. You can put one right here. And then one on the peg on that side.
Yeah.
And one on the peg on that side. Now, do you want to load that Porsche first?
No, I want to strap this.
Strap this.
Just make sure it
Or
fits.
you want it, yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta see if it fit, then you can pull it right back out. If you strap it, then you gotta unstrap it.
What? That's what he said?
Oh, that's what they charge.
2,000 for the bike. Probably 2,000 for the car.
How much they charge to transport it? By 4,000?
Yeah.
No?
No, I told you,
Like,
like 2,000? 1,800?
yeah, 18, right.
Yeah.
Oh,
For this car, 2,600. For this car, yeah.
All right, well, you want to...
it'll fit?
Yeah, it's perfect. We have moved like,
You got much space,
yeah.
and you won't hit the bike.
I gotta go. Okay.